Okay, so here we have the rice baked, looking good. It's finished. And we have the chicken. It's ready, looking good. And that's finished. I'm going to have my sister here come and take it out. Because I'm videoing.
You and these damn videos.
I know, right? Exactly, woman.
Which one?
Both.
This.
Oh, crap apples. Yeah, both. So, be careful. I think you're gonna need to double the other one. This is where we have this tendency of burning ourselves. Okay, before you take out the chicken, hold on. Step back for a second. Let me see these two. So here's the rice, but we're gonna move that because we're gonna just set the chicken across that way.
Yes, mother. Yes, mother.
You're welcome, daughter.
No. Yes, Miss Hannigan.
That is not me.
Annie?
Oh, yeah. She's been seeing too many movies. Oh, Lord. Anyway, and there's the chicken. So we have baked rice. Ooh, crab apples. Baked rice and the baked chicken.
There.
Thank you, girl. Thank you. So here we are with the baked chicken. And, let's see
We
how...
love you, Miss Hannigan.
She's been watching Annie too much. So here you have it. This is the baked chicken. And you have the baked rice. Right here. Really good. So there you go.